So let's talk about a standard estimation problem. That we have a couple data sources, and we know which datum comes from which source. Our two sources might be a black marker and a red marker. Then data, or observations, are generated from these markers. Like from the red, we might see with some random noise observations like this, though the generative process is generating data centered at the red marker on average, though that might not be true for any finite sample of observations. Similarly, the black marker generates data centered in expectation around itself. Now, the estimation problem is to identify from the observations where the generative processes or the markers are. And we usually don't know ahead of time how those processes work, so those markers, which we visibly saw, are essentially unobservable for us. Now, the classic estimate is to take all the observations of one category, move them to their grand average, and the same for the other category. With partial pooling, each one steals a little bit of data from the other pile, moving the two piles essentially a little closer together. And the presumption is that in many instances, especially if the generative processes are related, this is a better estimate. But I have a lot more in that, and I'll work out all the details for engineers in my Python notebook in the link below. Thank you.